Ever misplaced your keys and spent hours searching? Or perhaps you've wondered if you locked the front door on your way out? Cue the Kwikset Halo touchscreen Wi-Fi smart door lock. This is more than just a lock. It's the future of home security. With this smart lock, control comes from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can use the Kwikset app to lock and unlock your door remotely. It's as simple as a tap on your screen. Imagine the convenience of letting in a friend or a handyman while you're still at work. Sharing access with guests has never been easier. The Backlit touchscreen supports up to 250 unique access codes. You can schedule access windows or share one-time codes with guests using the Kwikset app. No more hiding keys under the doormat. For the tech-savvy among us, the Kwikset Halo integrates seamlessly with your smart home. Whether you're Team Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you can control your lock with just your voice. Create smart home automations and manage all your devices in one place. Security is paramount with the Halo. It provides real-time intrusion detection. Receive instant notifications in the Kwikset app, alerting you of any unusual lock activity, including invalid code attempts or lock tampering. It's like having a personal security guard at your front door. And for those moments when you're juggling shopping bags or corralling kids, the auto lock feature is a game changer. Set a duration for your door to lock automatically after entry or exit. It's perfect for keeping your hands free and getting in and out in a hurry. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home security and make life a little easier, consider the Kwikset Halo touchscreen Wi-Fi smart door lock. Check the description or pinned comment for the product link. Don't wait. Secure your home with the smart lock of the future today.